Morning, my little kids. How are you today? Today we are going to complete our first lesson, numbers from 0 to 5. Now let's solve number 1. Please observe and then count the set of each form. We have different shapes here. The first shape is the cup. Let's look at these shapes. Do we have here any cup? Look carefully. Do we have any cup here? Excellent. We don't have any cup. So, what's the number that I should write here? Should I write 1, for example? No, I should write 0. Excellent. The second shape is the star. This is a star. How many green stars do we have here? Let's count. 1. So we write here number 1. The third shape is the blue triangle. How many blue triangles do we have? 1, 2. So we write number 2. How many brown rectangles do we have? 1, 2, 3. Excellent. So we write under it number 3. How many red squares do we have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we write under it number 4. And finally we have the yellow circle. How many yellow circles do we have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we write under it number 5. Now let's go to number 2. In number 2 you are going to write the number of each set. In the first set we have 1 pear. In the second set we have how many carrots? 3 carrots. It's written number 3. How many bananas do we have in the third set? 1, 2. So we write number 2. How many apples do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we write number 5. And finally, in the last set, we have mushrooms. How many mushrooms do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we write number 4. Now let's go to number 3. In number 3, we are going to observe this figure and then complete the number of each animal. The first animal is the sheep. Let's count its number. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we write number 4. The second animal is the hen. How many hens do we have in this farm? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we write 5. We have 5 hens. Now let's go to the dog. How many dogs do we have here? 1, 2, 3. So we write number 3 beside the dog. Now we have in the middle the horse. How many horses do we have here? Let's count them. 1. So we write number 1. Then we have the chick. Look at this farm. Can you see any chick? I'm looking. Can you see any chick? No, we can't. So what number should we write here? Should we write 1 or 2? No, we should write here 0. Excellent. Then we have the donkey, the gray donkey. How many donkey do we have here? Great, we have 1 donkey, so we write number 1. And finally, we have 2 cows. Now, my dears, I want you to solve number 5 and 6 and send me your answers today. I love you and hope that you have enjoyed our session. Thank you.